The tour was very beautiful. Unfortunately we couldn't see the waterfalls due to the drought, but it was still very good. Our tour guide was very kind and attentive. We learned a lot about the customs here. We are grateful for everything. We gained many impressions and benefited from the guide's extensive experience. He described everything very well in excellent English and even gave us some insider tips. We would gladly do it again anytime. The guide was kind and friendly. Considering the location, the scenery is surprising. Magnificent views.